Welcome to the Hebron Hub for Teachers. In this video, we will be exploring my class's topics. Topics are located one tab over from the bulletin board. It's important to understand that topics are different from the bulletin board. Remember, the bulletin board is like the home page of a website and includes resources that are needed throughout the duration of the course. Topics are like the web pages you navigate to from this home page to get specific information. In this setting, this is the location for unit-specific resources like unit notes, unit study guides, video tutorials related to the unit content, rubrics for unit-specific assignments or projects, and more. Anything that helps support a unit of study can be housed here. So whereas you have one bulletin board, you may have 8 to 10 topics depending on how your course is broken down. Now, the easiest way to understand topics is to look at some examples. So let's jump into this science example, Unit 1, Motion and Force. On this topic, you will see that various resources have been provided for unit overarching resources with videos and labs and examples on writing. Study guides and notes have been provided, including the completed notes. And in the third column, pictures of how to solve mathematical equations related to this unit have also been included. Now let's click into a language arts example, and we're going to go to a topic on Unit 3, The Giver, by Lois Lowry. In this topic, we can see that there's a brief description of the unit itself, links to the reading schedule and expectations, a link to the various study guides for the quizzes, essential questions, enduring understandings, and in this topic, it's been broken down into a 3-week unit of study, and detailed listing of what students will be covering each day has been included. Now let's look at a social studies example by going into a Topic 1 Introduction to Geography course. On this topic, we can see that a study guide has been provided and a link to resources on continents and oceans, specifically the maps that students will be using throughout this course. There's an introduction to geography with the essential questions that students will be gaining from this particular unit of study. Also, the vocabulary list with all corresponding lessons has been included on this particular topic. Now let's look at a math example by jumping into this Unit 1 materials in a pre-algebra class. Here you'll see that the content has been divided by small divider lines. The first block includes all of Module 1 or Unit 1 materials such as the study guide, vocabulary terms, and a Quizlet link. Then it's been further divided into specific lessons, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. And students have not only access to a copy of the notes, but some links to video explanations and written examples of how to solve the problems in a math class. Now, creating a topic is simple. When you're in the Hebron Hub and you're on your bulletin board, we're navigating over one tab to topics. You'll simply click Create Topic, give your topic a title. I'm going to say Fundamentals of Basket Weaving. You can include a course description. Then you can decide which layout for the page you want. I'm going to just stick with 2 columns with the smaller column on the left. I can include a cover photo like many of our topics have by downloading a photo and browsing to find that here. I can share this with a different class section. I can add it to a topic bank so other teachers of the same content area could use that topic and modify it. Now here's an important difference. If I share it with another class, maybe there are 2 basket weaving classes, whatever that teacher does and how they edit it will reflect on my topic page. Whereas if I add it to the topic bank, the teacher will be importing their own copy of that topic. I can also have it published to various sections of the course that I teach. So that way I'm creating one topic, but it can post to all 4 of the classes that I teach in basket weaving. That's as simple as selecting just the one class, selecting all. And you can decide when you want this topic to publish. So maybe you want to go ahead and publish all of them at the beginning of the year, but you don't want students to see topic 2 or unit 2 until you've hit that. You can set a later publish date. Once you're done here, I'm going to just say go to basket weaving. You click Save and Add Materials. This page is going to look very similar to what you experienced on a bulletin board. You can click and drag any of these elements over. Now, the cover brief is that description that you created on the last web page where you did the title of the course and you added a course description. If you included an image on that setup, you could pull in that image. Otherwise, you're going to primarily be working down here with materials, and you have the same tools that you've had on a bulletin board. So you can see that you have text, links, media content. You can even bring in assignments from the Assignment Center, which you'll learn about a little bit later, into a topic. Now, once your topic is created, all of this hard work pays off because topics can be reused year to year. Simply click the Import button and you can import any topic that you've created in previous years into the current year. We hope you found this video tutorial on my class's topics helpful. Continue to explore the Hub and all of its possibilities in your classroom.